Hey guys, I'm Michael with Hoptown Handles and at one of my favorite bottle shops here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, Sigler's. And today I'm going to show you how to properly orient your tap handles so they're facing out to your bar room. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, y'all, back at my office now, and I just want to give a big thank you to Sigler's for letting me film over there. If you're ever in town, definitely check them out. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions about your tap handles, definitely check out the tap handle care guide that we have available to you. Or if you have any other questions, feel free to email me at sales@hoptownhandles.com or give us a phone call. Always happy to help. All right, y'all. Thanks. Cheers.